ice cream. People like ice cream. So I'm gonna make it. So now I'm going to show you how to make the ice cream. There's only 3 ingredients to it, and
But Nick, what if I don't have an ice cream maker?
bruh, you don't need an ice cream maker.
But what if I don't want to do this?
No one said you had to do this, it's just something fun that you could do.
How is it supposed to be turned into ice cream with only 3 ingredients?
Bruh, I'm gonna show you, just watch the video. My gosh. Anyways, back to the video. All it is just 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it. Also, I will leave a link in the description to the actual video and a link to their channel. In no way was I prompted or told to do this by anybody. It was just something that I wanted to do, and I happened to come across their channel, so. Also, to prep, you had to chill a bowl in the refrigerator. So this is our chilled bowl that we have and that we're gonna use. Alright, so first we're gonna use 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. Now we're just gonna blend it until it becomes almost like the consistency of whipped cream. Next we're gonna take the condensed milk and we're gonna use 1 full can or 1 cup of it and add it to the whipped cream that we've hopefully made, and then we will also add vanilla extract. And then you just blend everything together and it'll all come into a wonderful whipped cream kind of form. Voila! That's what the mixture should look like. Finally, just put your mixture into a pan of some sort and then cover it with some plastic wrap, and then it is ready to go into the freezer. And you should leave it there for about 6 hours or even overnight. Alright, this is our ice cream. It is now going into the freezer. There it is. This looks awesome. Here we go. That's really good. For just being 3 ingredients, that's really good. So, this turned out really well. Super easy to make, and I highly recommend you go do it right now, if you can. Once again, I will link that recipe and that video in the description along with the channel, because there's so many other recipes that you could try out, and definitely I'm glad I found their channel to help find something so easy yet something fun to do to take up some time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. I'll see you later.